Hey everyone, I'm Trevor, and today we're at the LEGOLAND California Hotel. We are going to give you a full tour of the hotel, a review of the room, and talk about Brick's Family Restaurant for breakfast. Let's get going. Well, we just got here. It's 7 o'clock at night-ish, and we're here at the LEGOLAND Hotel. Looks like valet parking is 37, and self parking is 27. And here's a first look at the lobby. We have this nice dragon made out of Lego right here, and where's the check-in desk? So I know that we did online check-in ahead of time, and then when you do online check-in, you can check in right at these little kiosks here. But then over here, they've got like a Lego pit that you can play in, and we'll go up and explore in a little bit. It looks like we have some instructions here on where to go. Of course, we're gonna go to our room first, so we're headed this direction. I have only been in that lobby back there before. I've never been anywhere else, so we're gonna keep the phone up and we're gonna see what we see here. So we got a restaurant over here off to the left. Looks like Brick's restaurant, their main restaurant. And over here to our right is the Skyline Cafe. The Lego room. What's the Lego room? There's a lot of dancing going on in there. The elevator is dancing. All right, I guess we're on the pirate level because it said all these are pirate rooms. Now we're looking for 2044. Look, there's pirate booty on the floor. Not the cheese puffs pirate booty, like actual pirate booty. I'm always impressed with Legoland's hallways. They're like really long. It's like, wow. It just keeps going and going and going. All right, well, let's go on inside. Let's switch to the wide angle here. Well, it looks like first off to our left, we have the bunk bed room for the kids. This is my son's stuffed animals. He put them on there already. But we've got 2 bunk beds there. Looks like they have a little television over here if they want to watch some TV. And there's the remote. And they've got some fun, spinning things, a little game there that they can play. Let's go ahead and move on into the main room. So we have an ironing board, some hangers. Looks like an extra pillow and a blanket. Some storage space under there, it looks like. Some storage over here. Looks like we have complimentary refreshments just for you. 2 water bottles, some apple juice, and it looks like hot chocolate and coffee. So that's really great. And here's a Keurig machine right here for the coffee. Before we go into the bathroom, this is what it looks like in the bedroom. Now, because we're checking in at night, there's not a whole lot of light in here, something that I discovered. I guess they would depend fully upon the light from the window. The only lights in the main bedroom are these 2 lights over here. There is no overhead light whatsoever. I thought that was pretty strange because it's really, really dark in here. So that's, I guess, a little bit of a minor complaint on my end. I like a lot of light, but otherwise, this room looks really nice. I mean, this is a pirate-themed room, so we got, the pirate skulls and the nice pirate pillow, and there's a little pirate model made out of Lego on the wall. Looks like we've got a butterfly made out of Lego up there, and just a picture of a Lego pirate off to the left. They do have this notice right here. That little notice tells you that the Lego models in the hotel rooms are valued between $95 and $950. So like that thing up there on the wall. And if it's damaged or missing, they will charge your credit card based on, the level of damages. So don't damage the Lego. That's the point. Oh, and here's another one right here. We've got looks like a beetle on our bathroom door. So here's the bathroom. Oh, and there's another one right there, a pirate hat. Very nice. So, like I said, this is a look at the bathroom. It's a pretty small bathroom, but very modern looking. We've got a nice gold-trimmed mirror here that feels very pirate-like. Got a spider here on the wall. I'm not sure how Amy's going to feel about that when she discovers it, but it is made out of Lego, so maybe it'll be fine. And then we've got some pirates, sharks, mermaids on the shower curtain here. Let's pull it back. And here is a look at the shower. Very clean subway tile look. They do have a tub, so if your kids refuse to take a shower, they do have a tub, and they have shampoo and conditioner and body wash over here on the side of the wall as well. Looks like there's only one towel hanging up here, so I'm going to assume there's more towels elsewhere. These are hand towels. Oh, here's the other towels. 3 towels right there. So they have one hanging up. They have some hand soap here, and not quite sure what that's supposed to be. Also looks like hand soap, if you ask me. So 2 things of hand soap, and that's it. Oh, one final Lego decoration. Looks like we've got a monkey here. Oh, the monkey's on top of the safe. So if you do the activity, you find out the code. You have to go do the activity in the hotel, find out the code, unlock this. And inside are some Lego packages that are free that you can take home. I believe there's only 2, though. So if you have more than 2 kids, I'm not sure if you can get a third. I might ask down at the desk. The view from our room, we can see the pool. Of course, nobody in it this time of night. It's also really cold because it's February, so I'm not sure if anyone would be using it anyway. It's only 7-something. It's not like terribly late. One other thing that I failed to mention is that the bathroom door is a sliding door that does not lock. I've seen these before. They're not my favorite. Not exactly sure how I feel about the slider, but just something to be aware of. Now we're going to go figure out how to open this safe. I feel like the last time we stayed at the Castle Hotel, and you can check out that video if you'd like, I'll link to it right now, that they had like a sign on the wall that told you how to go about doing that. I don't see any instructions for it here, but last time it was a scavenger hunt, so let's go find out. Well, it looks like Amy found out how to do the scavenger hunt. She had to scan a QR code in the lobby. Now she can hit start your adventure. Go ahead. Legoland Hotel. Okay, so we have to
go do stuff.
We have to go do stuff and get the number, the lock box to the safe, the lock code. Amy just found this. I missed it the first time I was looking around. It's like a toy box. Now don't take these Legos. I don't know if they count them, but I wouldn't put it past them. So don't take them. But there's some bricks that you can play with anyway. Now, right here in the elevator room, right off from that, there is a Coca-Cola vending machine, the stairs, which we're about to go down to start our scavenger hunt. But over here, there's the ice box, and they also have a microwave out here as well. So it says fitness and pool this way. Let's just go check them out. Nobody in here right now, so I have no problem filming. Looks like they've got some free weights over there, a couple treadmills, an elliptical, and a stationary bike, and then some water over there, and that's all they got in here for the fitness room. Oh, also towels over there, so you don't need to bring down towels. They have plenty of towels. All right, well, let's go check out the Lego room here. Looks like they've got dancing in here. Oh, dancing, dance moves. And right next to that looks like his awesome arcade. So let's go in and see what's in the awesome arcade. All right. So a couple of arcade games in here. You can load your card with money there and then come over here and play the various games. Not very many in here, but they do have prizes, awesome prizes inside. This is your ticket kiosk in a sense. See, this one here is 10,000 tickets. So you win some tickets, just basically, you know, like I said, self-service kiosk. Oh, that one's missing. The arcade spilled out into this outdoor area, which looks like it's probably for the pool. It says the pool time is 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So since it's after 7, yeah, that's closed. There's some extra rules there you can take a look at. And here we have Bricks. Again, this is the main restaurant, Bricks Family Restaurant. At dinner, this is a buffet. Well, at breakfast, it's a buffet too, but dinner is not included. You have to make a separate reservation for that. And it's quite pricey. I'll put the actual costs down in the corner of the screen there for you when I look them up later. But it looks like they've got a carving station back there, chef parties, kids station, cereal. Well, cereal's probably for breakfast in the morning. But this is also the area where you'll get breakfast. Now, breakfast is complimentary, but you do have to make a reservation for it, and it connects to Open Table. So we've already done that, and we'll be having breakfast tomorrow morning, and that'll be a little bit later on in the video. Well, now we're back in the lobby, and it looks like they have a store over here, a Lego store. Not a whole lot of things that you can purchase in here. It looks like maybe some blankets that you can purchase, some towels, looks like towels, and a few swords and shields, some small Lego sets. Oh, and a Lego minifig head cup over there. The time actually just clicked to 8 o'clock, and they said that they are closing. So they closed at 8 o'clock there for the store. But now we need to go do this scavenger hunt. I said we were going to do it, but I got distracted with a tour. Check out this fun pirate ship. Looks like there's some kids playing in there. Oh, more Legos down here. And over here's like story time. So that's fun. Some story time here at 8 o'clock. And this is Minnie's Cafe. So over here at Minnie's Cafe, we have to do something for the scavenger hunt. How many chefs can you see that are wearing a chef's hat? So we've got one chef over there. All I see is just the one chef wearing a chef's hat right there. Well, the next question is how many stripes are on the pirate red sail? Now, I don't want to ruin this whole thing for you, so we're not going to do them all here on the camera, but just giving you the kind of idea of the things that you have to find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. So now she's inputted that here into the app, and those are the numbers on the lock on the the dial. So there are 4 numbers, 4 questions. So we won't show you the last 2. You can come and do them yourself. So James is over here inputting the password. We won't tell you what the password is because it's the same for everybody. But we're going to show you what you can get inside.
What'd you get?
Looks like, ooh, a parrot, because it's a pirate-themed room.
I like that one.
That is fun. Okay, so, and all you get is 2. So if you have more than 2 kids, you have to ask the front desk, but I have a feeling like all you're going to get is 2. James found something else. We're just discovering new things about this room every single time. There's a 3rd pull-out bed. So if you do have 3 kids, they have the ability for 3 kids to stay here. Top bunk, bottom bunk, and a trundle. So you think that they would plan for 3 kids in the box too, but Anyway, the kids seem to like that they found that. So we gotta check this out here. So this is Amy's phone. Does it work? Oh, it works. That's super cool. Okay, I'm happy.
We didn't even need a charger?
No, we didn't even need a charger. We just got this little fast charge panel here. So cool. And then they do have some USB outlets here too, though. Just when I think I've shown it all to you, we discover another thing. We were reminded the last time that we stayed here, they have like an extra kid's seat on top, so that you'd have to lift 2 seats for the normal toilet seat. So they do have that extra little kid's seat, and also they've got a stool under here. So very, very kid-friendly here at the LEGOLAND California Hotel. Here's a look at breakfast in the morning. Every table is full compared to dinner. We're trying to find check-in right now. They've got signs that say, this way, almost there. And we have to go outside. It's pretty chilly out here, so we had to wear our jackets to come check in. I don't know why they don't just have the check-in inside. So you have to kind of ignore the signs here in the morning because the signs are for the evening. It looks like they've got some bacon and sausage and things over here at what they call the carving station. So there's meats over there. But we'll walk through everything and show you everything there is to get here at breakfast. Looks like over here we have some pancakes. Those look like chocolate chip pancakes. I might have to get some of those. Some French toast, some waffles. Over here are some muffins. Over here under that carving station sign, we have scrambled eggs, some sauteed vegetables, roasted potatoes, bacon, turkey sausage, and pork sausage. Under the chef's favorite sign, it says flavors of Mexico, pork carnitas, pork chorizo and egg, refried beans, black beans, salsa, and tortillas. Over here on this side, they have the same exact things as on the other side. under the Around the World sign. So same exact food as on the other side, minus the Mexican flavors. Under the On the Sweet Side sign, we have some fruit. And just here's a look at the fruit that's available. Just some like fruit salad, apples, orange slices, and bananas. And over here we have some assorted breads and cheese, some hard-boiled eggs, butter, and it looks like salad, mixed greens, and things like that over here. Over here they also have some cereal choices as well as milk and chocolate milk. As far as drinks go, they've got some coffee, decaf, hot water, regular, orange juice, and apple juice. And it looks like a variety of sodas are available even at breakfast. Okay, well here's a look at our spread. I have a smattering of breakfast items. I had to get the chocolate chip pancakes, as well as some Mexican food and roasted potatoes. They're my favorite breakfast food, roasted potatoes. We're just admiring the detailing in here. There's a minifig right there holding a pie. There's a splattered pie on the wall. Another splattered pie on the wall. We were even looking around and we're like, hey, there's a splattered pie up there in the ceiling. Really fun details all throughout the restaurant if you look for them. Oh, look who we have coming here. Aww. All right, so let's go ahead and talk review. How was breakfast first? Because that's fresh for everybody.
I thought it was pretty decent.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't say it's like outstanding food type of thing. Like, it reminds me of college food, but it's not bad. Like
for a free breakfast that's a buffet with that many choices, I thought it was great.
Yeah, like,
the Mexican stuff was my favorite. I was tricked by one of those things though. It looked like chicken.
And it
was
eggs.
Totally egg, and I don't do eggs. So it tricked me. But I actually went back up and got some biscuits and gravy. Biscuits and gravy was really good.
I just said pancakes. Like, they had regular pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes. They had a lot of selections. Mm-hmm. So, and the kids were very excited about chocolate milk because they hardly ever get it.
Yes,
unless
they love
we're
that.
Like on vacation. So they were like, oh, chocolate milk.
So a little bit more details about the hotel. I think I showed you yesterday that it's online check-in and you check in at the kiosk. They also have express checkout and they send you tons of emails and texts. So like if, don't worry if you're like, oh, how's this going to work? You'll know. But express checkout, you can leave your keys in the room or you can drop them off at express checkout. Checkout's at 11 unless you pre-purchase an extension. Now, let's talk about the actual room stay itself. How did you feel the bed and the pillows were?
I was comfortable, but I was also very tired yesterday after a really long day and a really long week. So I think I conked out by like 10 o'clock last night. Whereas you said you didn't like the pillows.
I thought the bed was a little stiffer than I particularly prefer. It's not like hard. I just prefer a little bit more give. Also, the pillows were cotton and stuffed full, which meant that for me, my neck was elevated a little too much. I'm glad I brought my own pillow. I prefer down. I like the fact that my head sinks into it. I like the hotels with down pillows. So this didn't do well for me, but Amy liked it.
That was fun. And the kids, I think, enjoyed their bed a lot. They were super excited to go jump on their bunk bed and pick out their spots and stuff like that. So,
as far as the shower goes, I loved that they had the adjustable shower head. Amy had it real low. I don't know if she adjusted it or not.
No, I just spun it because it was facing the wall at first, but I didn't adjust the height.
Well,
was it too low for you?
It was for a short person for sure. So I thought Amy might have adjusted it. I had to raise it about a foot. I'm not quite a foot taller than her, but I'm pretty close to it. So that
I didn't even think about that this morning.
We have a huge height disparity. So I appreciate that it was adjustable. I thought it was relaxing. I almost didn't want to get out of the shower.
Yeah, I didn't want to get out this morning. It was warm.
So overall, the stay was great. The TV in the kids' room last night, I should have showed it, but they were watching Bluey for like a half an hour, 45 minutes before bed. They loved that. And otherwise, really great stay. We might try to go to the arcade in just a little bit, and if we do, I'll put that in the video. James has been asking to do it. Otherwise, be sure to check out our LEGOLAND videos that will be landing a little bit after this one. If you're watching this a couple months later, of course, it'll already be live on the channel, as well as loads of other LEGOLAND content because we love to go to LEGOLAND. So hit the like and subscribe button for that content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again next time.